Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing good. First of all, happy Dhanteras to all my viewers. Today I am again back with the latest financial news and updates. So let's get started. The first news: the sector has urged manufacturers of the white goods to start warranty on the goods from the guarantee period of the date of installation. So what are these white goods? White goods are normally the large electrical goods which are used domestically, such as ACs, refrigerators, and washing machines. So what Center is saying that since these machines they cannot be utilized by the customers uh, before they are installed by the trained technicians, which are mostly from the manufacturers. So until they are installed, the warranty should not start because the customer is not using them. So this is a good move from the government side, and it will be beneficial for the consumers. In the second news, Go First lenders. You may be knowing about the Go First Airlines. The Go First lenders, they're going to challenge the move that could let lessors of the aeroplanes reclaim their planes. So the sequence is like that. India last month had tweaked its law to exclude leased aircraft from the assets that are frozen during bankruptcy proceedings. So the lessors of the Go First Airlines, they are asking the airlines to return their planes which are on lease to them, since they are not operating, and the companies has also filed for the bankruptcy. So the lessors are already up in arms about not managing to get their planes back. The Director General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) in a court filing said that the law changes will apply retrospectively. So this was indicative of the fact that this is a relief to the paying lessors of Go First, but now the creditors are unhappy because they are fearing that once these planes are gone, it will be difficult for them to recover the dues from the company. Moving on to another important news: ICICI Bank has received RBI's approval to make ICICI Securities a wholly owned subsidiary. So why ICICI Bank want to make ICICI Securities a wholly owned subsidiary? Because they are expecting that both entities will be able to work in better synergy. They can bring about better synergies, and they can capitalize on these synergies to provide a better 360-degree service to the customers. In the fourth news, relief for lenders. Supreme Court has cleared the path for personal guarantee insolvency. So in the insolvency and bankruptcy proceedings, IBC, Supreme Court on Thursday, it upheld the constitutionality of IBC provisions on the personal guarantee insolvency resolution plan. Now the action can be taken against the personal guarantor even before a resolution plan was accepted. This action includes placing guarantors' assets under an interim moratorium, or even recovery from the personal assets of the personal guarantors for the company dues. So this is a very important news, especially as far as financial sector is concerned, because most of the corporate cases, the director itself, they were the personal guarantors, but the lenders, they were facing difficulty because of the complex legal provisions, and those proceedings were getting stuck at different courts and at different levels. So now Supreme Court has clarified. It will provide clarity and give a flip to the recovery of the bad loans. So these are the important news for the financial updates. I hope this will be beneficial for our viewers. We'll see you again. I'll come before you tomorrow. By the time, take care and keep studying. Thank you so much.